Hello friends, welcome to the World Air Forces. Royal Saudi Air Force. Founded June 1920. (688 plus aircraft). Combat aircraft. Eurofighter Typhoon. Origin Europe. Type multi-role. In service 72. Panavia Tornado IDS. Origin Europe. Type multi-role. In service 81. F-15 Sea Eagle. Origin United States. Type multi-role. In service 211. Airborne Early Warning and Control Aircraft. E-3 Sentry. Origin United States. Type Airborne Early Warning and Control. In service 6. Saab 2000. Origin Sweden. Type Airborne Early Warning and Control. In service 2. Aerial Refueling Aircraft. Boeing KC-707. Origin United States. Type Aerial Refueling. In service 7. KC-130 Hercules. Origin United States. Type Aerial Refueling. In service 9. Airbus A330 MRTT. Origin France. Type Aerial Refueling. In service 6. Transport aircraft. Gulfstream IV. Origin United States. Type VIP Transport. In service 2. BAE Jetstream. Origin United Kingdom. Type VIP Transport. In service 31. Cessna Citation 2. Origin United States. Type VIP Transport. In service 4. Super King Air. Origin United States. Type Transport. In service 9. C-130 Hercules. Origin United States. Type Tactical Airlifter. In service 33. Helicopter. Bell 212. Origin United States. Type Utility. In service 24. Bell 412. Origin United States. Type Utility. In service 16. UH-60 Black Hawk. Origin United States. Type Utility. In service 2. Eurocopter AS-332. Origin France. Type Search and Rescue. In service 13. Trainer aircrafts. F-15D Eagle. Origin United States. Type Conversation Trainer. In service 21. BAE Hawk. Origin United Kingdom. Type Advanced Trainer. In service 69. Pilatus PC-21. Origin Switzerland. Type Advanced Trainer. In service 55. Cirrus SR-22. Origin United States. Type Light Trainer. In service 25. PAC MFI-17. Origin Pakistan. Type Primary Trainer. In service 25.